So these are most of the way cool, it's fine. This is again one of those easy looking, at least, I hope so, Halloween cookie recipe things that it feels very Halloween, but also isn't too gory. I'm not a big fan of gore, I don't love it. So basically all you're supposed to do is you take a cookie and you cut it down the middle. Yay, I did it. Okay, and now we are grabbing some marshmallows. Step one. I don't know, maybe that's enough. And then you can take either red gel or what I did is I took strawberry jam and I just added some red food coloring to it because that's what I had. And I think that looks great. And then pipe it onto the edge of the cookie. Then we put our little marshmallows on all the way around the outside. And then we need to add some of that same gel or whatever you're using onto the top. And then you put that on top. Oh my gosh, so cool. What? Oh my gosh, I want to show you and I'm so scared I'm gonna ruin it. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wait, there's more. I wanna see if I can do it with a marshmallow. Oh yes, I think it's gonna work. And it's like a little vampire. Stop, that's so stinking cute. I mean, as far as gruesome, bloody teeth go. And like all of those flavors, phenomenal, no notes. That was like pretty easy to put together.